Students, here the Morgan experiment. Thomas Hunt Morgan was an American biologist. He used a fruit fly, that is a Drosophila melanogaster, in genetics research and established the chromosomal theory of heredity. That is his contributions in genetic field. He known as due to his contribution, great contributions related with the linkage as well as heredity. He also known as a father of a linkage. He also discovered the principle of a linkage, sex linkage and crossing over. Morgan work played key role in the field of genetics, so why he awarded as a Nobel Prize in 1933 in physiology and medicine. See the Morgan experiment. Why Morgan chose or selected Drosophila melanogaster, that is the common fruit fly. आपण जे चिलटं म्हणतो साधारणतः तेच हे आहे बघा, that is the biological name of the common fruit fly, that is the Drosophila melanogaster. For his experiment, why Morgan selected Drosophila? There are some properties. Drosophila generally having short lifespan. It can be easily cultured in laboratory. Short lifespan about 2 weeks. So result get find out very quickly. Moreover, it has high rate of reproduction. So such kind of properties. So why this Morgan for his experiment selected this species, that is the Drosophila melanogaster, that is common fruit fly. Morgan carried out several experiments, several dihybrid cross on a Drosophila melanogaster. Just like Mendel performed several experiments for his dihybrid cross for obtaining dihybrid ratio, he carried out several experiments on a pea plant. Just like that, Morgan and his group crossed so many varieties. They carried out so many experiments on this Drosophila melanogaster related about the linkage and crossing over. Morgan and his group crossed a yellow-bodied, white-eyed female to the wild type variety of a male who having brown-bodied and red-eyed and intercrossed with the F1 generation. See here, this is the cross first and this is the cross second. Different varieties are taken for the crossing first and crossing second. Here in cross first, yellow bodied and white eyed female Drosophila crossed with the wild type of a male Drosophila who generally having brown body and red eye. While in cross second, this W stands for a white eyed and miniature wings. This variety get crossed with a wild type of a male Drosophila melanogaster who generally having the recessive characteristics. Mendel observed that two genes did not segregate independently of each other and F2 ratio deviated very significantly from the 9:3 to 3 to 1 ratio. Morgan and his group know that the genes were located on X chromosomes and stated that when two genes in a dihybrid cross are situated on same chromosomes, then the proportion of parental combinations is much higher than the non-parental type. This occurred due to the physical associations or linkage of the two genes. He also found that when the genes are grouped on the same chromosomes, some genes are strongly linked, so they show very few recombinations. See here, such kind of recombinations here only 1.3% of a recombinations, because these genes Y and W, these are strongly linked genes. So the genes which are strongly linked, generally they shows the few rate or few percentage of a recombinations, and those genes which are loosely linked, generally they shows the more percent of a recombinations. See here, when the genes are loosely linked here, present far away from each other, see the distance in between these two genes Y and W, and see the distance in between W and M. These are the loosely linked genes, so they generally shows by the crossing, they generally shows very high rate of a recombinations as compared to the cross first. In cross first, this YW, these are closely linked genes, so generally the recombination rate is lower there, that is only 1.3%, while loosely arranged or loosely linked gene generally shows the high rate of a recombinations. Here WM, that is the genes, white miniatures property, wild type when crossed with this white miniatures male Drosophila, the rate of recombination is more than, that is 37.2% because of the loose linkage in between W and M. The genes for yellow body and white eye were strongly linked and they generally show only 1.3% of a recombinations in cross first year, while in case of a cross second white body and miniature wings generally shows the 37.2% of a recombinations. Cross first shows crossing over between Y and W, while the cross second generally shows the crossing over in between genes white and miniature wings. Here dominant wild type alleles are represented with the plus signs, that is the plus signs which generally shows the wild type of a gene. So this is the Morgan experiment. The conclusion of this experiment or this रेशो याच्यावरून एकच कन्क्लुजन या ठिकाणी घेता येतं आपल्याला मॉर्गन एक्सपेरिमेंटवरून. मॉर्गन जनरली परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट रिलेटेड विथ द क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर ॲज वेल ॲज लिंकेज genes which are generally strongly linked, generally they shows the lower rate of a recombinations in next one generations by the crossing, and genes those genes who are loosely linked generally they shows the more percent of a recombination.